What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on the Currency Academy YouTube page. Today, it has been 2 weeks since I've uploaded a video. We are slacking, but we are back with another banger. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you drop a subscribe and a comment down below to support the channel. You already know I am a currency trader who posts education around currency trading, so make sure you guys stick to the end of the video so you guys get the full value of this video and you are able to take away everything that I am saying. Sit down, get ready, enjoy. We are about to go crazy for this video. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys have not checked out my Instagram page, make sure you guys go check it out, _Currency Academy. We are growing quickly at a nice 97 followers. You already know we have been posting our results on here, a bunch of trades that I've taken. I've posted free signals really occasionally. Other than that, I've posted some losses like this. I'm going to go over this actually in this video, this EURGBP and pound trade, and how we are able to avoid those trades. So without further ado, let's hop on the charts and take a look at EURUSD. So for today, I am going to be going over my trade that I am looking at for the upcoming week. So EURUSD this week is looking pretty bullish to me. Today, it is Saturday, so market is closed. We are waiting for tomorrow, but we are looking at what we already have. So, as you guys know, we are trading in levels. So, from here, we have seen a support level, so we were able to know that it is going to be going in an upwards direction. We see price is creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and we draw on our trend line. Boom. We also have a trend line right here, which you can't really see. I'm going to make it a little thicker just so you guys can see it, that we saw a break. So boom, we have a break of trend line, we have a break of market structure. That's two pieces of information in confluence. We have higher lows, that is a third piece of confluence, and if we go down, we have bullish engulfing candles. This is our fourth piece of confluence, knowing that we are going to be going in the upward direction. So now that we know what direction we're going in, we are looking for entries and how we can get in on the best entry points. So using our tools that we have gone over in our previous videos, like the Fibonacci retracement tool, this tool I went over in pretty much every video that I've posted because this is the main way that I trade. I highly recommend that you guys just stick around and check this out. So I'm going to actually delete this tool just so I could show you guys exactly what I'm thinking. Delete everything that I've pretty much got up on here right now. So as you can see, I see that we're in an uptrend and we are approaching a key resistance zone. So I am going to be looking for shorts. When we do come up to here, this is the weekly area of resistance, but we have not quite made it there yet. So I'm still bullish. And we also have these moving average crossovers, which is still confirming that we are in this bullish trance, and we are going to draw on our tool. So first we come over here, grab our Fibonacci retracement tool. Now we want to go to the most previous swing low point. So the most previous point before price broke up to the upside. So right here, as you can see, this is the most previous low. Then we're going to drag it to the most previous high. Boom. Then we're going to wait for price to bounce off of our golden box ratio. Now, this is the golden box. I'm actually going to just delete it and draw it on for you guys just to show you how I would really be thinking about this in terms. So I would take this box. Actually, I don't draw it from the 38. I draw it from the 50. So from the 50, the top of the 50 line to the bottom of the 78. And then I color it in golden because that is like my golden box. And then we are going to wait for price. So in this case, right, we would only be able to see this much, okay? Even now, we could see just this. But what I'm thinking, right, is we see price come from our swing high down to here. Now, there's always this point A, this point B, this point C, and then where price is going to go. So right now, we are already in an uptrend. We want to trade with the trend. So we are looking for buy entries. I have not placed an entry yet, which means I am late to this trade. I cannot lie. I am late to this trade. But that does not mean that there's money not still to be made. Now, I'm not going to lie. This stop loss ratio is looking a little bit off. So we're going to scroll down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, the thing about price is that price can actually bounce off of this box right here, and it can come back down and retest it. Now, in this case, we have a moving average crossover, so I believe that price is just going to continue to head up in the upward direction. Now, we might consider moving our stop loss into take profit if we can see a higher low form, But if not, we're just going to hold on to this trade for when it opens up. And that is kind of our whole thought process on this. So that's what I'm thinking for EURUSD this week. I really just kind of wanted to get that out there for you guys to like see what I was thinking. I feel like the best way for you guys to actually learn anything from me is for you to just really like raw see what I'm doing. Another trade I want to go over is a NZDJPY trade that I actually called out. And same exact thing here. We have a very large uptrend. We see, boom, prices forming higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We got a, I'll even draw a trend line on there for people that need to see that. Okay, we have this trend line on here. Boom, we know that price is in an uptrend. So what are we doing? We are looking for swing highs and swing lows. Boom, we have a swing low right here before price broke extremely high to the upside. Then we saw price create an order block right here, meaning that price was not able to break above it, and it was going to shoot down harshly in this direction. We saw harsh, large movements from the sellers in the market pushing our price down to our golden area. Now, in an uptrend, we are obviously looking for the retracements. So the periods after prices being pushed down, we are looking for buy entries to go to the -27 extension, which is up here, which is where our take profits are. So as you can see, I was a little bit late into this entry. Now, we see these higher lows. We see it coming off of our golden box ratio. Now, in this case, this worked perfectly for us. It just touched the box and literally shot right up off of it. Every time, this is not going to happen. But in this case, we did get lucky, got a nice clean entry off this, and it was able to break to the upside just how we predicted. Now, right now, we are just waiting for price to come up, come up, come up, hit our -27 extension. It's going to be a great trade. Ton of profit here to be made. Super excited that I got in on this trade. And yeah, I also want to go over another trade that I posted on my Instagram page this week. Posted this Euro, Great Britain pound trade, which I actually ended up getting cooked on. I want to show you guys, not every trade is a winner trade. I actually got cooked on this trade, and it did cut out for my profits. Now, as you can see right here, I drew on my trend line. I saw that price was going down, and I saw a little break of market structure. See, I saw that it was able to create a higher low after breaking a trend line and doing a moving average crossover. Now, I still am slightly, if I go out on the daily time frame, I still want to say that I'm bullish on this. Now, it might come down to this area and then go back bullish, but honestly, I'm kind of upset at myself that I even took this trade this week because it's in a period of consolidation. As you can see, prices bouncing. You do not really want to be trading in these periods of consolidation. For me personally, Euro, Great Britain pound is just a pair that I'm going to stay away from. Now, for me, I usually like to trade USD/JPY, Euro USD, Great Britain pound USD, whatever it may be. But I hope you guys really did find some value from this video. Really, it's just me going over a few of my trades. I am going to be having a signals group for any of those who are interested. Just hit me up on Instagram in the DMs. You already know how it's going. I'm also going to come back down here on the 15-minute time frame, scroll this back out just to take a look at it one more time for you guys. And yeah, super excited on this trade. Hopefully, with this trade, we are going to be able to lock in some serious profits this coming week. I definitely wish that I was able to get in on an entry down here because obviously that is like the perfect entry point. I just happened to not be looking at the charts that week because I was just like really off with it, but I'm going to be staying on my content this week. Super excited to post more content for you guys. If you guys are ready for another video, make sure you drop done in the comment section below. And if you have not seen my other videos, make sure you go back and check them out because they are some serious knowledge bombs that I am dropping for you guys. If you guys care to, make sure you drop a subscribe. I love you all. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I will see you guys next week for another amazing week of currency trading. Let's get this, and I am out.